Sa resignation, importante na merong acceptance na para maging effective. Napakarami ng desisyon ng Supreme Court na sinasabi yan. Sa Article 300, mag-resign yung empleyado, voluntary, and then i-accept ito ng employer to become effective. So many decisions with the court, CG Marketing Corporation, Vergara versus ANZ Global, tapos Mora versus sa Pesco Marketing Corporation. Sinabi ng Supreme Court na to be effective yung resignation is effective. Yung ginagawa ba ng HR na nilagay lang dyan na received, yung mga resignation, nakasulat received or sa malagay na system generated, na effective acceptance ba yun? Hindi. Sabi ng Supreme Court sa kaso ng Mora versus Abesco Marketing na hindi acceptance of resignation yung ni-receive lang. Sa kaso ng Vergara versus ANZ, hindi sufficient na nakalagay lang sa system triggering advice na employee leaving advice na or ELA, meron ng acceptance of resignation. Tandaan natin yan.